Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Sony WH-1000XM5 has a microphone built in. So right here I'm in Discord voice settings and we're gonna test the microphone while having this headphones connected. So test microphone, and now I'm gonna move this phone closer to my face so to see if the actual phone detects this noise. So right now I'm speaking to my phone and it doesn't seem that it catches my voice. Let's try the headphones. So here's the headphones, and as you can see clearly, they actually do the microphone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.